All right, everyone, we got skate camp going on, so it's gonna be a little loud, but here we are, episode 2 of Aaron Kickflip the Nightmare Skateboard Challenge. Basically, the premise is simple. I pick skateboards that are gonna scare the absolute living hell out of Aaron, and then he has to kickflip them. I already have 2 if you wanna see them. These are 2 that are so just obvious. It's almost like they're boring, but they're not. They're actually extremely awesome. Number 1, we have the Bed of Nails skateboard. Go ahead, take a gander. And number 2, we have the glass skateboard, which very well might not even survive the whole video for him to actually be able to kickflip it. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Me too, thanks. So now we're gonna go up here into the, I was gonna say the depths of Tartarus, but it's actually, we're going up, so I don't know what that means. So those are more like the mental, kind of like it'll scare him aspect, and now I need the very difficult, gonna cause him some problems aspect of this challenge. I have so many ideas. So many ideas, so little time. Let me just. That's a good one. That's a good one. So this right here is a laser cut steel skateboard. I believe this thing weighs about 13 pounds. It's not the hardest, but it's one that'll kind of mess up his kickflip mechanics, because when you're so used to kickflipping a certain way and then you have to do it on something heavy and it changes everything. So that is a mental one again. Oh, wait, hold up. This one might be perfect. Oh, dang it. Okay, no, this one doesn't roll. Now we just need one more. Ninja Star is not possible. Maybe one that's like super tiny. Dang, what is gonna freak him out? Something that his like foot can fall into. Maybe something with holes. Is this too easy? I don't think this is possible. Oh, I thought that was a spider. Is that too easy though?
I think so.
It is, huh? I love Derek. Is it too easy? I think so. You are right. Dang it! What do we? Oh, I broke this one. I was gonna blame Ricky. I broke this one. Oh, well, I needed this. I needed this anyway, so we'll add that to the pile. Morphboard far too easy. This looks like it could be interesting because it's just so bad. But he's gonna land that quick though. All right, let me think about this. So let's just say he starts with this one. He'll probably save the rip surf for last. He has the glass board, which might break. And then he has the super heavy one. He has the nail board, which is more scary than difficult. What's like the hard one? And the hard one's the rip surf, right? Wait, why? What is happening? Why is it lighting up? I don't know. What is happening? What is happening? Stop! Stop!
I didn't even know we had that.
What happened?
When did we ever get this?
We have not charged this in years. Dang it, you can't do that one.
No?
I don't think so. Actually, he might be able to.
I feel like that was a good one.
All right, all right. This is the bonus. All right, so we're good then.
Push it. I thought you were gonna do something like really dangerous. Dude, don't treat Derek's ripstick like that.
That's a rip surf. Oh, all right. Hey, Robbie, can you bring those boards over here for me?
Leave it in the comments below.
They won't leave it alone.
Hey, what? Hey, what? It's, oh.
What's your name?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kickflip every board. Who do you think I am? This is easy build. Okay. We got this is impossible.
No.
Why do you always pick the ones that are impossible?
That's the bonus one. That was Derek's idea.
That's Derek.
Of course, it was mine.
Okay, here it again. I think I can do this. Glass? Ooh, that's definitely gonna break. And this ripstick? Rip surf. Okay, that's doable. This one? I think I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know that I can do this one. Should I give it a shot? Wait, it doesn't even
It's
roll.
still alive from years ago.
How does it not roll? Oh, it's auto.
Yeah.
No, no way. That's impossible.
All right, we'll in case.
We'll try.
In case, we'll give it a shot.
All right, live studio audience. Which one should I do first?
Petty board.
I don't think this one counts.
We got to get the timer started.
So wait, how long did it take me last time?
Like 45 minutes.
I know, so embarrassing.
You had a full
It's
mental
actually
breakdown.
painful. You guys ever seen a grown man cry? Yeah. Okay, nothing new today then.
I put a lot of strategy into picking
1,
these.
2, 3, 4, 5, and if I get the bonus one, 20 Jamba Juices.
What? Yeah.
Give me a time limit.
Yeah, the live studio audience will pay him out.
Yeah!
All right, timer's ready. On your start, on your first pop is when the timer begins.
Okay, well I'm going this one first.
Yeah!
You guys agree?
Yeah!
Wow, this thing has seen better days. On the pop is when the timer counts, and you give me 30 minutes.
On the pop.
For all the people out there, they're gonna see the Barbie movie. Oh no!
Nope.
One.
That's good. Was that good, live studio audience?
Should we do this one next? Yeah. No, probably no, right? Actually, I don't know if I can flip this.
This thing weighs like 13 pounds.
Has anybody done this?
Yeah.
Oh! What if you land like this? It's worse than the guillotine one, I think. Shout out Hoonigan. This is for Ken Block, RIP. Oh no!
Boo! Boo!
I can't do this one.
Come on!
I think I have to take a clip out of Uzi's notebook. Pop up and go like this. I fully flipped it, I almost landed it. Not gonna have a mental breakdown in this video. It's gonna be okay.
I don't know. Hey, ref!
No. What do you think?
Ref, say no.
Like a 43% average of yes.
Oh!
That's what you wanted?
Yeah!
Like the entire internet is for my demise. Okay, right here, first try.
Ref!
All right, let's go. You want a clean one? Wow.
Don't get shin now. Wow! Yeah! Woo! Nail board! Nail board! Nail board! Nail board!
Nail board! Nail board! I forgot about this one. Oh no! Gabe, I don't want to ruin my shoes.
Oh, your poor shoes. Wow!
Oh no!
Yeah, you wouldn't mess up your shoes if you just landed it. Ref!
I totally missed it.
Rebate!
First try, you land it, you cry. Oh no! That grip though.
Come on, it's only a few nails. Dude, you're really nailing it. If you land this, it's a hammer.
Whoa, hammer, nail, get it? That was actually a really good one.
Oh!
That's good,
We
that's
can
good.
do better than that, live studio audience.
Hey!
Oh, we're going glass next?
What do you want?
Whatever you want.
Which one's
Glass board! Glass board!
Can any of you drive?
Yeah.
Great.
You gotta land at first tee.
See, is it real? Is it real?
You gotta land at first tee.
How does it sound? Does it sound real? What do you mean, yeah-ish? Oh!
Oh! Plastic! Plastic! Plastic!
Well, I just want to break it to tell the people. If it lands like this, it's okay. If it lands like this, broken.
Nigel! 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 Nigel!
Who's got a Jamba Juice on this try?
Robbie.
Got you.
Oh! What the heck?
I never never miss a Jamba Juice.
No.
Never.
I will gladly get you a Jamba Juice.
One to go. Easy money, Gabe. You want to break it?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Remember, I told you this one was the hardest. Maybe it won't be though.
What the? Dude, if this version of you did the last challenge, you would have done it in 10 minutes.
No.
Yeah.
No. The last one, I almost cut off my leg.
Is he kickflipping an axe?
Oh! This is the one that breaks me. Dang it! How does JD do this?
Less talk, more cry. Less talk, more cry. Less talk, more cry. Less talk, more cry.
I love how silent it got there.
We were waiting in anticipation for you to let us down.
Ah!
Aaron, you're at 9 minutes.
No, I'm gonna do this under 10 minutes.
No way.
Dang it. I think it's all in your head.
What the? Yeah!
Under 10 minutes!
Woo! Robbie, next mix, can you coordinate a poser chant? No! 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 Are you kidding me?
We were literally on the next try that Aaron missed. All of us were gonna chant poser, and he landed it. He didn't even give us the opportunity. So we're gonna take it anyways. All right, on the count of 3, let's all call Aaron a poser.
2, 3, poser! We're starting a new thing. If you think a beginner skateboarder is a poser, I'm finished selling t-shirts. Get it at brailleskateboarding.com.
Well, okay, so you won the challenge. Well done. Go get the e-board.
Oh yeah, the bonus.
I really think this is possible.
I don't think it's possible. I mean, the big part is there's no tail, but does that mean anything, really? The grand scheme of...
How about double kickflip the glass skateboard?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Double kickflip. Please break the glass. Do a straight flip.
Straight flip? Straight flip?
Oh, is it not gonna break?
That just sounds so wrong. Oh, that's where it usually goes. I don't think it's gonna break, dude.
Yeah, drop it.
Oh!
Yeah!
Woo!
Just turned into a full sesh.
Oh! Oh!
As I put my hands on the ground.
What nightmare board should we skate next? We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.